Hi friends, Bill here. Sorry for the extreme close-up at the beginning, but we're going to do a review of this thing, and I couldn't figure out a way to get both of us in the shot, so here we are. The unit that we are reviewing today is from Pioneer. It's the mini split heat pump that is whisper quiet, extremely energy efficient, and so easy to use. MySpace is a 16 by 24 golf simulator studio that we use for a lot of videos for our television show. And on the day of recording this mini split review, it was 85 degrees outside, but within 2 minutes of me turning on the unit, the whisper quiet unit, my entire studio was at temperature. It responds very well, very quickly, and has an energy efficiency level that was even better than what I thought it was going to be. My recommendation is that unless you are highly skilled in all things electrical, you may want to have somebody else handle the installation. As you can see, there's a lot involved, but this mini split unit is a winner on every level.